Hey everybody, I know it's been a while since I had a review up, and if you get my messages that I put in the comment section of my main window, you'll see why. And hopefully by the time December's over, I take care of some of my problems, and then I can do some more videos like I used to. But seeing as tonight I got some time, tomorrow I'm going to be super busy. I'm going to be busy the whole weekend. I thought I'll get a couple done tonight. So first off, this is the final release of Microsoft Security Essentials version 2.0 or 2.0.657.0. And I went and downloaded it, installed it, gave it a full update, and we'll let that update. I haven't changed any of the settings. Now it's got a couple of different things that I see: limit CPU usage during scan, start scheduled scan when my computer is on but not in use. Some of the things, check for virus definitions before scan, that's kind of normal. Default actions I'll leave just like they are. Behavior monitoring and enable network inspection, those I think are new. I haven't used MSC a lot, so I'm trying to remember what was new and what isn't. Let's see, a couple advanced things here: scan archive files. You can scan removable drives, create a restore point if you feel like it, and Spynet. And I'm just going to leave everything the way it is. So you can see it's updated. Let's just do one of my quick little memory checks just for the hay of it, just so we can give a rough idea. I always have people saying, well, that's not the best way to check it. I know. This is just a quick little rough idea that I get. So right now the engine is using about 50 megs. I'm trying to see what else. And we have, I bet you that's the user interface, which is down there. That's about 3, so that's about normal for a user interface. Okay, so it's not bad, but it's not the best. I've seen much more comprehensive security suites use less memory, and this doesn't have a lot of the stuff that some of the other suites have, like firewalls and all that, and it's still using a fairly high amount of RAM, so they still got some work to do on RAM usage, but isn't that normal for Microsoft? So let's open up Internet Explorer here. I have, I think, I don't know, 12 or so links that I grabbed tonight. I haven't tested any of these, so I have no idea if any of them will work or not. Some of them should work. So let's get going here. I know that the top ones are fairly low detection. Okay, it looks like that one there is dead. This one's downloading, but it's really slow. Okay, we'll see if anything got unpacked with that one. Okay, it looks like that one got caught. So we're going to apply the actions. Seems like the cleaning aspect is fairly quick. It used to be really slow in the older version. Bet you that one got caught too, when it disappears like that. Okay. That one is taking forever. Okay, that one got caught too. This website had a fair amount of malware associated with it, so I don't want you to download updates. I like to keep my computer clean of updates so it doesn't have all these updates. It's done on purpose. Let's move on here while that one's doing whatever the hell it's doing. Okay, that one there got caught. That one that was downloading back there. I bet you that one got caught too. Well, maybe not. And last one. Okay, something wants out. So I will, like I said, I always let programs that want out get out. So now, whoop, got stuff downloading all over the place. Whatever this is, some weird toolbar. So we got that. Internet Explorer is open, and it shouldn't be because I don't have it open anymore. So looks like we got some things going on in here. Let me open up MSC here, and I will do a full scan just like I normally do. And right now I will pause it. I don't know how long this is going to take. I think I'm going to go jump in the shower real quick. So I'll be back when this is done scanning, and I'll see you then. Okay guys, I'm back here. Of course, Microsoft Security Essentials doesn't like my version of Windows because I haven't registered it. So, but the problem is that I have done the scan twice. After about an hour and 10 minutes, I stopped, I restarted the computer, and I restarted the scan. And this is how long it's taking. I don't know what it's doing, why it's taking so long, but after 50 minutes, this is how far it's gotten, and this is really stupid and annoying on a level you can't believe right now. So you can see it's just sitting there and barely doing anything. So this is just getting on my nerves where you can't believe it. So I'm going to cancel this scan, this full scan, and it wants me to validate junk, and I don't want to do a full scan, and I'm going to do a quick scan whenever this gets done canceling, and then I'll be back with the results from the quick scan because this is getting old and annoying real fast. So I'll be back when this is done with the quick scan. Okay, so it just finished the quick scan for some odd reason, and it just like finished it up real quick, and you can see that. I'm gonna do it again so you can see it, and it won't find anything. So the quick scan actually does go fast, but the full scan, good luck. That thing takes forever. So there you go, didn't find anything. So I'm gonna drag my testing tools in here. I'm gonna run CCleaner, and then I'm gonna run Malwarebytes. I'll be back with the Malwarebytes results when I'm done. Okay guys, so Malwarebytes finished scanning here. Took 9 minutes and 12 seconds, and I found 3 things here. What do we have? We have a spyware, passwords exogen here, sitting in app data, and a registry key concerning that. And we have a Trojan sitting in the start menu. looks like it. Yep. Or startup, sorry. Start menu program, startup. So I bet you it's like right there. So I'm going to remove these, and because none of them were active infections, I'm not going to worry about them right now. And I'm going to do a scan with super anti-spyware, another quick scan just like I did with Malwarebytes, and I'll be back with the results when this is done scanning. So I'll see you then.
Okay, so super anti-spyware finished scanning. I actually turned off MSC because it was slowing down the scan from some of these secondary scanners. So I'm gonna wait for Hitman Pro here to update, and then I'm gonna do a scan with that. We'll see if anything else comes up. So I'll see you in a second. Okay, so Hitman Pro finished scanning. So what can I say about MSC here? Well, it has improved a little bit. It hasn't been a huge improvement. Like maybe I was expecting something like that. And for a super basic antivirus, I would say it's acceptable. Personally, though, there are other better free antiviruses out there that you can use. But if you want to stick with something that's just super basic and nothing too hard to mess with, I guess Microsoft Security Essentials is alright. It did let some things through, as you saw, and I can tell you outright that some of these samples, like these, and I think a couple more somewhere, are very, very low detection. I'm talking about maybe 3 or 5 engines out of 40 on virus total. So what we saw with testing with Malwarebytes, Super Anti-Spyware, Hitman Pro, as good as their detection rates are, I bet you if I came back in 3 or 4 days and I didn't touch this machine and I scanned again, they would probably find more malware. And that's the problem with testing such new samples. If you test really new samples to test your security, things will be let through, but then you can't double check and show people that things were let through because none of your scanning software has a signature for it yet. So it's kind of a little bit of a double-edged sword while doing this testing. So that's it for this review. Kind of give you a quick little demonstration on how the new version looks, some improved graphics here, and you kind of saw it in action. Now, because I really want to get this over with because I have a long day tomorrow, I'm going to do one more review and I'll put them both up after that one's done. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll talk to everybody later. Take care.